Keyframes can really change up how your viewers watch your videos and how they perceive them. Today I'm going to show you how to ease in and out of keyframes within DaVinci Resolve. It's quick and easy and it can really make your videos next level. So let's get into it. So I've got my clip over here in my timeline, and what I want to do is go over to the right hand side, and here you can see where it says transform. You'll have these little diamond icons. Okay, so these are the keyframes, and you can pretty much keyframe any type of movement or element within this video. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just select the transform. So this will now change the properties of the keyframes of every single one of these elements. So what I want to do from here is I want to zoom in to the video. I also want to change the position, so I'm going to move it over this way, and I also want to change this position, so I'm going to move it from the top left hand side of the video frame, and we are going to just choose another section of the video where we would like to keyframe this scene to. So let's say it's just over here. What we're going to do now is make sure that on the position, zoom, tab, we are going to now change the position. So let's go over and let's do this. Now, as you can see, as I'm doing this, there is a keyframe that is being created. If you see, just over there, it's turned red. So I now just want to move the frame down and I want to just zoom out. Okay, so we can just reposition that, and it'll still keep that keyframe just over there, and we can move this just over here. Fantastic. What you will essentially have now is a video that looks like this. Now, if this was a helpful guide, you can go ahead and explore more DaVinci Resolve tutorials on our channel. We'll see you over there. Peace out.